Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Stats for Nerds in the YouTube app on your iPhone. This feature lets you view technical information about the videos you're watching, such as video quality, connection speed, and playback details. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for YouTube. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as using an outdated version may prevent you from seeing this option. Once your app is updated, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. From the settings menu, tap General. Now scroll down until you find the Stats for Nerds option. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, you'll be able to view detailed playback information while watching videos. And that's it. That's how you can enable Stats for Nerds in the YouTube app on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.